Welcome to Exploring Color in Foods. Get ready to discover a world full of bright colors with delicious food. Let's begin. Now, come and see what we have here. Look, it's a yummy bowl of tomato soup. Red tomato soup. Let's see what's next. It's a crunchy carrot. Orange carrot. Up next is a refreshing lemonade. Yellow lemonade. The next one is it's a dish of healthy salad. Green salad. Moving on to the next food. It's a cup of delicious blueberry smoothie. Blue blueberry smoothie. Up next is it's a round-shaped eggplant. Purple eggplant. Let's see what's next. It's a glass of creamy strawberry yogurt. Pink strawberry yogurt. The next one is a piece of rich chocolate cake. Brown chocolate cake. Up next is a plate of cuttlefish ink pasta. Black cuttlefish ink pasta. Finally, this is the last one. It's a creamy vanilla ice cream. White vanilla ice cream. Everyone, let's recap the colors we learned today. Could you repeat after me? Ready? Red tomato soup. Orange carrot. Yellow lemonade. Green salad. Blue blueberry smoothie. Purple eggplant. Pink strawberry yogurt. Brown chocolate cake. Black cuttlefish ink pasta. White vanilla ice cream. Great job. Now, it's time for a colorful food challenge. I'll show you a dish and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's have some fun. Great job. Thank you for joining me on this colorful food adventure. If you enjoyed learning about colors and foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time.